comes wisdom. I've learned no longer smart to have 12 IPAs in a night. Not good. Not good for the tum-tum. I've pivoted. Here's what I learned. I could have 18 hard seltzers and a little bit of cocaine. Just 2 toots and I'm on my way. You know what I mean? I'll Venmo you $5. Lines? No, that's a young man's game, okay? I'm having toots. That's an espresso. So you gotta stay for 2 more hours and then Irish goodbye. Not say goodbye to Ryan, you know what I mean? I shit my pants January 30th, 2023. Thank you. Thank you. Here's what I did. I got a latte and I went hiking like a daredevil. Yeah. Just going up a mountain, carefree. I got to the apex of that mountain, my stomach was like, you messed up. It's like, what were you thinking, dude? Milk and espresso? I had a geostorm assembling. I was about to rain fire. I immediately started having diarrhea contractions. I was like,